Okay guys, how's it going? We're about to fly this little Tello here. Start recording. Wrong one. Starting to record. I'm gonna fly it with control. Let's see how this goes. Taking the wind pretty good. Look at that. Nice. Come this way. Let's do a little turn. It's fighting the wind and it's doing pretty good. Y'all see it? Maybe the sun's in our way. See if I can fly it fast. Okay, let's see. Let's go into settings. We're doing fast now. We are going fast now. This thing's holding steady. Now let's see. See the angle? The angle's pretty good. Pretty good. I don't know how far out we are. This little thing's doing good, except for the one I lost. Look at that. Come on, Tello, you're doing pretty good, bro. See, I don't know if I'm filming. Yep, I'm filming. Let's take it slow. Take it slow. And let's see. Let's see if we can film up. There we go. Filming up. It's going up. I'm fighting the wind. I'm fighting the wind. I'm taking it up a little. Taking this thing up a little. Doing pretty good. The wind's pretty bad. The wind's pushing it on me, but it's doing great. Let's film that sky. The sky is beautiful. This thing did awesome. This thing did awesome. See if we can do a few flips for you. Nope, no flips. Not enough battery for flips. There we go. No, land. Land. There we go. Land. Exactly.